Hey guys, what's up? It's Connor from Dragon Rider Network, and I am here doing a video on a new iPhone application for Twitter that the company TweetDeck recently released, which is TweetDeck version 2.0, and I happen to have it right here. And basically, this was a vast improvement on the app that was already in existence. What it could do before was have a few frames of your Twitter feeds and even include your Facebook profiles and all the messages you would get from there. And this was a very huge update. It had an interface change, new applications got in, it does a whole lot more stuff, and it looks way better. So anyway, let's get started. There are hundreds of applications to connect you to Twitter, but TweetDeck is one of the most widely known to iPhone, iPad, and Mac users. A few weeks ago, the company finally released version 2.0 for iPhone after many months in development, and it brought many sweeping changes. The user interface was completely rewritten for iOS, for Retina support, and much faster processing speeds. You can now swipe between columns by swiping left and right, and Twitter accounts have now been embedded along with Facebook accounts right alongside. Even though your tweets haven't changed to more than 140 characters, your links and everything now look way more defined. You now get way more defined links, and you even get previews of photos coming from TwitPic and YFrog right inside the tweet without going to the website itself. Like I said earlier, the tweets that you get won't look any different. However, you may notice the organization may be a little bit different. You now have the opportunity and the chance to actually include your Facebook updates right inside your tweet column. And you can even include your Facebook updates and your notifications right inside your @replies column. Now, just because this is a brand new application doesn't mean everything's different. For one, there are still some features brought over from the old TweetDeck that still remain. You can still go to your tweet area and still be able to update multiple accounts, including your Facebook page and multiple Twitter accounts. From here, you can basically type whatever you want and update it all at once from a single application. Creating new columns of information is still available on the current TweetDeck application. However, it does seem like a little bit more of a chore when you want to actually get customized information. You have availability to trends and hashtags provided by Twitter, and if you've created a new list on your TweetDeck application on your desktop, I've actually found that your account brings them over to your iPhone application and then allows you to choose one as your actual list in order to put it on your TweetDeck application. You simply go through, see the one that you want, and if you want to add it to your series of columns, you click add and it goes right into it. And if you want to switch around from different columns, you simply pinch in and you can swipe in between them for whichever one you want. And if you want to delete a column, you simply hit the red X button at the top. I also found this is a great way to actually navigate through because it's a far more scenic way by pinching through and simply swiping through them by having that sort of cover flow effect. Overall, I found this to be a very incredible upgrade to the previous TweetDeck, and since this application is free, I highly recommend it to every single Twitter user and Facebook user who owns an iPhone to download it. It's very sleek, it's very fun, and I definitely have to admit it's a very great job that TweetDeck has done in a while, and I give it my full approval for you to go out and give it a shot.